Nebraska's governance systems offer a wide platform for civic participation, shaping the state's political landscape through diverse leadership opportunities. The state features a large number of elected positions across statewide, county, and city levels, encompassing administrative, legislative, and policy board roles, as well as contributions from non-government and private entities. Eligibility requires U.S. citizenship, a minimum age, and residency within the jurisdiction, verified to ensure local representation. The electoral process includes specific filing deadlines for different levels, with fees that can be waived through community support, alongside bonds for some roles and limits on campaign contributions. Policy boards, present at all governance levels, contribute through elected and appointed members who often select their own leadership, playing a key role in shaping community decisions. Historically, the system has developed over time, incorporating various civic roles, while public access through open meetings supports engagement. Interconnections link state, county, and city governance through funding and appointments, with overlapping memberships among boards indicating complex relationships. This overview explores electoral structures, policy board contributions, governance interconnections, and their community impact, providing a comprehensive understanding of how Nebraska's systems function to serve its residents across diverse regions. Part 1. Electoral Structure and Civic Participation. Nebraska's electoral system supports a substantial number of positions across statewide, county, and city levels, including administrative roles like chief executives and legislative bodies such as state and local councils, along with policy boards focused on specific community needs. Eligibility requires U.S. citizenship, a set minimum age, and residency within the jurisdiction, confirmed through official documentation, with filing deadlines established for different levels to organize the process. Fees are applicable, which can be waived through gathering community support, and some roles require a bond, with restrictions on campaign funding to maintain fairness, and permits needed for public displays. This structure allows individuals to engage in governance, managing community resources and laws, with regular meetings providing opportunities for public input. Historically, the system has evolved to include a variety of roles, enhancing participation and community involvement. Open meetings and online platforms support public oversight, connecting state, county, and city governance through funding and appointments, offering a framework for civic leadership that spans Nebraska's varied regions and encourages broad engagement. Part 2. Policy Board Contributions and Governance Roles. Nebraska's policy boards, present at statewide, county, and city levels, play a significant role in shaping governance through elected and appointed positions such as education and housing boards. These boards manage resource allocations, overseeing support for students and residents across different areas. Non-government boards, including business and real estate groups, select their leadership annually, contributing to policy discussions on economic and community development. Corporate boards, focused on utility operations, and public boards, addressing service provision, work alongside administrative boards within state agencies that coordinate executive functions, influencing budgets and legislative priorities. These boards hold regular meetings, providing channels for public input and community feedback. Historically, their roles have expanded to impact legislation and resource distribution, connecting state, county, and city governance. This network supports policy development, reflecting Nebraska's commitment to diverse leadership and community involvement across its regions, fostering a collaborative approach to public service. Part 3. Governance Interconnections and Community Engagement. Nebraska's governance systems link state, county, and city levels through funding, appointments, and shared services, fostering collaboration across its residents. Statewide offices provide resources to county treasurers, while policy board appointments connect to local entities, and boards advise on educational and community initiatives. In cities, chief executives appoint council committees, and boards coordinate with county groups on local efforts. Non-government boards, such as business organizations, engage with state and local councils, enhancing influence through overlapping memberships. Community involvement occurs through open meetings, with state legislators convening at the state capitol and city councils meeting regularly at City Hall, allowing resident feedback on community issues. Historically, these interconnections have grown to include diverse roles, supporting participation in urban and rural areas. Law enforcement support from city police and county sheriffs aids governance by handling cases, while federal ties integrate national oversight. This network supports effective governance, reflecting Nebraska's approach to community engagement and leadership across its regions. Part 4. Community Impact and Governance Overview. Nebraska's governance systems impact its residents by providing a large number of elected roles and a network of policy boards across statewide, county, and city levels. The electoral process includes filing deadlines for different levels, with fees that can be waived through community support, a bond for some roles, and limits on campaign funding to ensure fairness. Policy boards influence resource allocation and legislative outcomes, with education and housing boards managing support for students and residents. Governance interconnections link state funding to county and city operations, enhancing service delivery through shared initiatives like health programs. Historically, the system has evolved to include diverse roles, supporting public involvement through open meetings. Law enforcement coordination with city police and county sheriffs, plus federal ties, integrates local and national efforts. This framework supports community needs, offering a comprehensive view of Nebraska's governance structure and its role in serving residents across urban and rural areas, fostering a connected leadership landscape. Conclusion: Nebraska's governance systems, a comprehensive perspective. Nebraska's governance systems provide an extensive platform for civic participation, supporting a large number of elected roles and a network of policy boards across its residents. The electoral process features filing deadlines for statewide and local positions, with fees that can be waived through community support, a bond for some roles, and limits on campaign funding to maintain equity. Policy boards, present at all levels, shape resource allocation and legislative priorities, with boards focused on education and housing contributing to community support. Governance interconnections link state funding to county and city operations, enhancing collaboration through shared services like health programs, while non-government boards engage with public entities to influence policy. Historically, the system has developed since its early days to include diverse roles, fostering engagement through open meetings at the state capitol and city halls. Law enforcement support from city police and county sheriffs, along with federal ties, integrates local and national efforts, supporting a connected governance framework. This comprehensive overview highlights Nebraska's commitment to serving its urban and rural communities, offering a detailed understanding of its leadership structure and its role in community life.